types of people who dream: those that dream in color and those that dream in black and white. While most people report remembering colors in their dream, some people say they can never see color. And then there are those that normally dream in color, but every once in a while have dreams in black and white. So, what do black and white dreams mean? And are they significant? Black and white dreams generally represent your lack of emotional participation in the dream. If you are dreaming in black and white, it means that you are viewing the dream as an observer, and not experiencing the events firsthand. It represents distance from you and the emotional events you see happening. Black and white dreams may also mean that someone is controlling the narrative of your life, and you have little freedom to express yourself in your waking life. Black and white dreams are more significant if you normally dream in color. If you normally dream in black and white, then this is your normal dream state. And having a black and white dream can be interpreted differently. This article will go over 5 different meanings of black and white dreams. Is dreaming in black and white normal? The common dream narrative is painted brightly with colors, which adds the bizarreness of the dream. The colorful objects or scenery plays an important symbolic role in understanding the meaning of your dream. We often remember our dreams because of the vibrant colors. Because of this, it is not common to have or remember black and white dreams, yet some people do. Some people report only dreaming in black and white, while others have half-colored dreams and half-black and white dreams. So, do most people dream in black and white? Most people do not dream in black and white, they dream in color. And those that dream in color often forget dreams that are in black and white, so it is hard to say how often they actually have black and white dreams. But to put a label on what is normal or not can't be done. Whatever colors are appearing in your dream is normal for you. Everyone is different, and therefore it makes sense that everyone's dreams vary in color and complexity. The more appropriate question should be, why are my dreams in black and white? Regardless if you have colorful or black, white dreams, there is a reason for it. And that can tell you a lot about how you are processing information and emotions in your waking life. What do black and white dreams mean? If you don't typically dream in black and white, this dream carries significant meaning. It is important to look closely at the events unfolding in the dream, and the people that play a part. Below are 5 reasons why you may be dreaming in black and white. Meaning: 1. Your dream is devoid of emotion. Black and white dreams can be a sign that you are devoid of emotion regarding the events you are dreaming about. Our emotions are what give color to our dreams. Colors represent vibrations, and vibrations are a communication device for the spiritual and energetic realm. Seeing a red dress or a yellow bird in a dream is providing you with a symbol that can be decoded to find a hidden meaning into our subconscious and spiritual realities. If the colors are absent from your dreams, this means that you are not accessing or processing your emotions in that dream. For some reason, you feel emotionally detached from what you are trying to process. It could mean that the event you are trying to process is too emotionally difficult to handle. For example, losing a loved one is extremely difficult to process, and many people shut down emotionally. During their periods of grief, they may have black and white dreams. Another example is people may suffer from PTSD after a traumatic experience. To protect themselves, they compartmentalize their emotions, sometimes resulting in black and white dreams. Dreaming in black and white is not bad, but it may be a sign that there are some deeper emotions that should be addressed in your waking life. Discussing this with loved ones or seeing a professional could be healing. Meaning 2. You have given up control of your life path. Another meaning of black and white dreams may be a sign that you have given up control of your life to someone else. You are not being allowed the freedom to express your true colors, or to express yourself creatively. Colors and dreams is a way to connect with ourselves and our environment on a vibrational level. If you feel that your environment is not a safe or free place to explore, energetically you can feel very limited. This may result in black and white dreams. It can be powerful to ask yourself if there are people or situations that are stifling your freedom. Did you start a relationship with someone new? Is your current relationship unhealthy? Do you have a family that is putting expectations on you that limit your freedom? Are you working a job that is taking advantage of you? These questions can give you a clue as to where and why you feel you have lost emotional freedom in your life. Once you identify that you have lost your emotional freedom, you can start cutting things out of your life that make you feel suffocated or depressed. Meaning 3. You feel like an outside observer in your dream. There are certain dreams where you feel like a stranger stuck in a strange land. During these dreams, things may happen to you, yet you feel they are happening to someone else. It may feel like you are watching your dream from the sidelines, instead of actually being the one in the game. I like to call this a memento dream. Just like the film, there are bits and pieces of things that you are trying to remember, but can't fully put together the pieces. In that film, there are scenes that are black and white, which seem to be the real story. However, the colored scenes, although running in reverse, tell the story with more clarity. You are watching events to try to solve the puzzle, rather than partaking in the actual dream. Because of your role as an observer, rather than a character, the dreams are in black and white. These dreams are very important to pay attention to because they are trying to get you to figure out the real story. The dream is letting you know that you don't have enough clarity on the situation and need to investigate further. The dream may be telling you to take a step back and to seek out an outside perspective. Be cautious with who you trust, as they may be trying to manipulate you. Get some distance before making decisions that you can't take back. Meaning number 4, you are empathically exhausted. For some people, dreaming in black and white is a time to take a break from feeling emotions. For these people, they spend so much time taking on other people's emotions that they can't emotionally connect with themselves or other characters in their dreams. These people are usually extremely empathic and are referred to as a highly sensitive person, HSP. For them, their entire waking life is devoted to the ups and downs of their emotional environment. Their subconscious appears in black and white dreams so that they can have a break from the emotional roller coaster. With some self-care and learning how to manage your empathy, you may begin to dream in color once again. Meaning number 5, you are more of an analytical person, not an emotional person. But what about those who never dream in color? There is a small percentage of people that have never had a dream in color. What does it mean if you always dream in black and white? Always dreaming in black and white means that you process your emotions in your waking life, and not in your dreams. You may feel emotionally unattached to events happening in your dream life. This is often the sign of someone very analytical, who doesn't get emotionally ruffled easily. While most people process emotions in dreams, you are processing information in your dream. Your dreams are a time for you to lay everything out, look at your options, rationally choose the best one, and have a solution by the time you wake up. It could also mean that you have difficulty feeling a wide range of emotion, or don't easily let your emotional response guide your decisions. In this case, if you usually dream in black and white and have a dream in color, then this is a very significant dream and you should seek out someone to help you interpret it.